VB400, vertical boring and resurfacing machine for engine blocks. The VB400 offers you unprecedented machining freedom, with endless combinations of tool rotation, feed, and table movement. This guarantees you maximum flexibility to achieve the perfect finish you desire on every piece. A unique feature of this model is the two-axis table movement with variable electronic speed. Thanks to an intuitive joystick on the control panel, you can position the workpiece with extreme ease, drastically reducing the spindle centering time in the cylinder during setup for boring. The VB400 has been specifically designed to handle large and heavy workpieces, such as the robust CAT 3412 and 3508 engine blocks, always ensuring exceptional performance and impeccable results.